Pendulum Bucket Conveyor PX, the new generation. Since our founding, we at Wiese Förderelemente have been improving the tried and true Pendulum Bucket Conveyor. We are pleased to announce the newly developed new generation PX line. The engineering team at Wiese have developed a completely new generation of control cams and guidance, the result of which are wide-reaching advantages over the previous generation of products. Installation and repair times are reduced and significantly less fine-tuning is required. This leads to increased productivity of the Pendulum Bucket Conveyor. The guidance for the containers has been simplified and thereby the maximum permissible speed is raised, resulting in proportionally increased production for the same volume of container. The new guidance allows for greater reliability with less wear on the container. All of this while simultaneously reducing overall noise. The PX5 and the PX10 are available immediately and the PX20 is coming soon. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. Pendulum Bucket Conveyor PX, the new generation by Wiese Förderelemente.